All right, along with making you an awesome welder and giving you the opportunity to receive American Welding Society certifications and weld a whole bunch of other materials, we get you industry training. So let's go over these things right here. So we got your NCCER welder, boiler, and fitter blue, silver, and gold cards. We got your NCCCO rigger, signal, and crane operator training. We got your OSHA 30 training. We got your MSHA 24 mine safety training. We got your ASHI CPR and first aid training. We got your TWIC transportation worker card. We got your Basic Plus card for working in plants. And then we got your CCS and drug testing cards. All of this industry training, which you can get here at KWI, is what employers are looking for, and let me explain why. Coming to KWI, we're gonna train you on these different things and give you the card that says you have done that training. Now, here's the cool thing. Companies don't have to pay for that. So if you don't have these things and you go on a job and say the plant requires a Basic Plus, or it requires an OSHA 30, or they require an NCCCO rigger training, the company has to pay for you to get that training. So coming to KWI, you're already gonna have that. That's gonna look way better on your resume. That's gonna look way better on yourself because you're gonna be on the job. You're gonna know how to rig something up. You're gonna have your OSHA 30. You're gonna have your NCCER Boilermakers, because we teach you how to be a Boilermaker. We teach you how to be a fitter here at KWI. You're gonna have those things in your pocket. You're gonna have the training. You're gonna have the certification. And you're going to be able to go out onto those jobs and know what's going on. And your company or employer won't have to pay for that training for you. I've been working in the oil refineries for the last 3 years, and the TWIC and the Basic Plus are the huge ones, because you plant guys know you have to have a TWIC card and you have to have that Basic Plus. Now, we don't get you, all of your training for like oil refineries and stuff. Like if you go to a Valero, or if you go to a Marathon, or if you go to a Chevron, you're gonna have different Basic Plus trainings, and we know that, and we cannot provide that here. But we get your Basic Plus 8-hour training. That's the beginner Basic Plus training, and that's what you need for, every year you have to re-up that Basic Plus training. So these things right here are gonna make it a whole lot easier to get on jobs. It's gonna look better for employers, and you're gonna have that training because we teach you how to rig, we teach you how to signal, we teach you how to fit, we teach you about CPR and first aid, because that's a big deal. What if someone starts choking on a job, or what if you cut yourself and you need to bandage yourself up real quick? You never know. So we're gonna make you an awesome welder, and we're gonna make you an awesome employee with all these trainings. So hopefully that helps some of you guys trying to figure out what we get you here at KWI. So hopefully you've seen the last video talking about the AWS certifications. We have an unlimited amount of them, and there's just tons that we can do for you. And then also this training here as well, industry recognized training. And most of you guys know that companies are needing these nowadays, and they're gonna have to pay for you to get that training if you don't already have it. It just makes it a whole lot easier.